Chicken tikka biryani recipe. 2 tomato slices. 10 to 15 aloo
Green
bakara. Chili 8 to 10. Podina leaves. 1 medium brown onion to lemon slice. Mix it. Take aside. 6 tomato green point to TBS ginger garlic paste. ADD 3 cups all. All ingredients of gram masala. 1 TBLS chili flakes. 1 TBLS Chinese salt. Biryani masala 3 TBLS. Mix it well. Cover it for 5 to 7 minutes. Add salt according to taste. Cook for 10 minutes. Yogurt 300 grams. 1 TBS gram masala. 1 tablespoon yellow food color. Mix it well and take aside. One tablespoon red chili powder. Flame off. Add already mixed ingredients. Add prepared yogurt. Half TB's yellow food color. Give smoke while covering it. Step 2. Boil water completely. Salt for TBLS. ADD to kilograms soaked rice. 80% cooked rice. Add boiled rice in korma. All half cup. ADD water half cup. Cover it for 20 minutes, on low flame. After 20 minutes, let's check it. Delicious! Thanks for watching.